Oscar weekend, which means all of our favorite stars getting ready to light up the red carpet with their flawless skin. Here to show us how we can sparkle and shine like the country's top celebs, Dr. Stephen Davis. Hello.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good. How are you guys?
Good.
Good.
I need some of this. I'm having a breakout, and I'm not looking like a celebrity or a star
You going
right
to
now.
the Oscars tonight?
No, but I want to look like them.
Well, you kind of do.
You're
kind of
so
do already.
sweet.
You
You're
kind
so
of do.
sweet. So they're doing laser treatments. Is that what they do?
Yes. Here's the thing. You know, I'm a plastic surgeon, so I talk about this. I see this every day.
Yes.
But the truth is, we know when someone's looking really good for their age and when someone's not. And you know, by the water cooler tomorrow, after these Oscars, people are going to talk about who looked good, who looked young, who looked old. And that's really what's happening with a lot of this skin. Because you know, just by taking a look at someone's skin, you can tell if they look old or not.
Yeah.
So the products and things and the lasers together work magic to make things look really, really good.
Okay, so what are we talking? Like, I always hear laser and I think ouch.
I know.
Yep.
I think ouch, right?
Here's where we've come. Laser used to mean that you're going to have to burn this skin, and it's going to take weeks and months for this thing to really get better.
Right.
It's not like that anymore.
Okay.
These laser treatments now really do things that are specific. So, for instance, one of the ones that we're using, and I know it's been used all over Hollywood, getting ready for the Oscars, is something called the broadband light.
Okay.
And the old name for it was a photofacial. And it really isn't a laser. It's this intense pulsed light that takes care of all the signs that you would say someone has aging skin. So if I showed you a piece of skin and it had brown spots, it had little wrinkles, the texture of it didn't look good, and if someone's like coloring was like mismatched, it didn't look like confluent like his. See how nice and smooth that is?
That's right. Smooth.
See? So when it doesn't look like that, you pick up right away and go, oh, that's an older person.
Gotcha.
So this broadband light, or BBL, takes care of all of those issues. And what it does is it gets fine lines and wrinkles to go away. It makes the skin just look a little bit more toned and firm. And it also will get someone like, for instance, like a Natalie Portman, all right, who's pregnant. Sometimes women that have hormonal issues going on have these hyperpigmentation spots, so the skin doesn't look all confluent. It may look brown in areas, or age spots. This will take care of all that. Even if you have little broken capillaries, it's the laser that'll go after all of that stuff. And the beauty of it is, it's like after you use it, you go right back to work, you go back to doing whatever you want to do.
Okay, so if you're still scared, like, laser, can you do something at home?
You can. So I brought all these products with me to talk to you about. This one is laser in a bottle.
Okay.
Basically, it's...
Is that the name of it?
Well, I should have called it that because it is.
Of it.
It actually is my product because we went to the manufacturer and said, we want to put something in there that if someone doesn't want to do anything in the office or any kind of a laser, what could they use on their skin every single day? And that's what this is. It's an advanced brightening complex, and in it, it has very cool things like licorice, which is like an anti-inflammatory type of thing. And it does things that are going to make the skin appear more youthful without doing anything aggressive to it. Now, it's going to take about 4 to 6 weeks for you to see a result.
Okay.
But it's a way of doing it. Again, the best results would be someone who's using this and like piggybacks it with one of these finer lasers.
Okay.
Now, we brought in some other things.
Yes.
So, again, trying to boost the skin and trying to make the skin look a little bit more youthful is what we're going for. So if you want to go a little deeper with these lasers, again, we're talking about minimal downtime. This next laser is like an erbium fraxel type of a laser, which is going to go, it heats up the tissues and makes your skin firmer, thicker, and more youthful.
Now, pain, discomfort, is it mild, severe?
It's like topical cream that we would put on that kind of numbs the skin, and literally within seconds it's done. And then a more advanced thing would be something that we call this DNA repair. And what happens is over the course of time, our skin loses the ability to kind of repair itself.
Yes.
And it really damages our own DNA. So UVA, UVB, like radiation, does it every day. So you don't even have to get burned. It's just a quantitative time.
Right.
This actually helps our own body repair itself. Again, you may have to start a little bit sooner than like the night before the Academy Awards, but We're saying that these lasers now are much more gentle than they ever were before, and you can really turn back the hands of time easily by just trying to take a little bit of the responsibility by doing something on your own at home.
So quickly,
and then doing it.
the laser treatments might cost up to $2,000. What are we saying we can get at home?
These are all about $100.
Oh, okay.
Each one of these are about $100, and again, it's going to last about eight weeks or so. So again, you're putting a very small amount of it on before you go to bed at night. Works very well.
My mother always told me in my 20s, you think you're too young, but you better start a skin regimen now.
That's true. It's all about like prevention, and anti-aging is all about prevention. Because once you get really, really older, it's tough to turn it back too far. I know.
I've been moisturizing since I was about 14.
Is that what?
That's when I
now.
Now you're a poster. He's 16.
Now he's about 16. He
Really
looks
quickly,
too young.
where can people find you?
We're at daviscps.com, but Davis Cosmetic Plastic Surgery.
Thanks for coming in.
Thank you
very
much.
All right.
Thank you.
8:37.